Vacant land fraud typically involves dishonest schemes where individuals or groups deceive others into buying or investing in land that either doesn't exist or isn't as valuable as claimed. Here are some common tactics used in vacant land fraud. 1. False representation. Perpetrators may misrepresent the location, size, or condition of the land to make it seem more valuable than it is. They may use deceptive marketing materials, photoshopped images, or misleading descriptions to lure in potential buyers. Perpetrators may exaggerate the features or potential of the land to attract buyers. For instance, they might claim that the land is larger than it actually is, or they could fabricate amenities such as access to utilities or scenic views. Deceptive marketing materials could include photoshopped images that make the land appear more attractive or falsely depict nearby amenities or developments. Misleading descriptions may omit important details about the land, such as environmental hazards, easements, or restrictions on use. 2. Title issues. Some fraudsters sell land without clear title or ownership rights. They might forge documents or use false identities to create the illusion of legitimate ownership. Fraudsters may sell land without owning clear title or proper ownership rights. They might use forged documents, such as fake deeds or property surveys, to create the illusion of legitimate ownership. In some cases, scammers may impersonate legitimate landowners or use false identities to conduct fraudulent land sales. Buyers who unknowingly purchase land with title issues may face legal challenges, disputes with rightful owners, or even risk losing their investment altogether. 3. Pressure tactics. Fraudsters often use high-pressure sales tactics to rush buyers into making a decision without thoroughly researching the property. They may claim that the land is in high demand or that the price will increase rapidly, pushing buyers to act quickly without due diligence. High-pressure sales tactics aim to create a sense of urgency and scarcity, encouraging buyers to make rushed decisions without conducting thorough due diligence. Fraudsters may claim that the land is in high demand or that prices will increase rapidly, pressuring buyers to act quickly before missing out on the opportunity. They may also use aggressive persuasion techniques, such as repeatedly contacting potential buyers or insisting on immediate payment to manipulate them into making impulsive decisions. 4. Unpermitted land sales. In some cases, scammers may sell land without proper permits or zoning approvals, leaving buyers with land they can't develop or use as intended. Scammers may attempt to sell land without obtaining the necessary permits or zoning approvals required for development or use. Buyers who purchase land without proper permits may find themselves unable to build or develop the property as intended, leading to financial losses or legal complications. 5. Phantom land. This type of fraud involves selling non-existent land or selling the same parcel of land to multiple buyers. Scammers may create fake deeds or surveys to make it appear as though the land exists, pocketing the money without delivering any property. Phantom land fraud involves selling non-existent land or selling the same parcel of land to multiple buyers. Scammers may fabricate fake deeds, surveys, or property records to create the illusion of legitimate ownership and deceive buyers into believing that the land exists. Victims of phantom land fraud may lose their entire investment without ever receiving any tangible property in return. 6. Overvaluation. Fraudsters may artificially inflate the value of the land to deceive buyers into paying more than it's worth. They may cite false appraisals or make exaggerated claims about future development potential to justify the inflated price. Fraudsters may artificially inflate the value of the land to deceive buyers into paying more than it's worth. They may provide false appraisals or make exaggerated claims about the land's potential for development or appreciation in value. Overvaluation schemes exploit buyers' lack of knowledge or understanding of the market, leading them to overpay for the land based on false information provided by the scammer. To protect yourself from vacant land fraud, it's essential to conduct thorough research, including verifying ownership, checking for any liens or encumbrances on the property, and having the land professionally surveyed. Additionally, always be wary of high-pressure sales tactics and promises that seem too good to be true. 7. Fake development plans. O. Some fraudsters may create elaborate development plans or investment schemes for vacant land that they don't actually intend to carry out. Or they might promise potential buyers significant returns on investment through future development projects or infrastructure improvements that never materialize. These fake development plans are designed to lure investors into purchasing the land based on false promises of future growth and profitability. 7. Hidden costs and liabilities. Fraudulent sellers may conceal or downplay existing costs or liabilities associated with the land, such as outstanding taxes, liens, or environmental cleanup obligations. Buyers who are unaware of these hidden costs may face unexpected financial burdens after purchasing the land, diminishing the property's value and potentially leading to legal disputes or financial losses. 8. Forged documentation. In addition to forging ownership documents, fraudsters may also falsify other types of paperwork, such as property surveys, environmental assessments, or development permits. These forged documents are used to create a facade of legitimacy and deceive buyers into believing that the land is suitable for their intended purposes. 9. Misleading investment schemes. Scammers may promote vacant land as part of a larger investment scheme, such as a real estate development project or a high-yield investment opportunity. They may promise investors guaranteed returns or membership in exclusive investment groups, enticing them to purchase the land without fully understanding the risks involved. In reality, these investment schemes may be fraudulent schemes designed to enrich the perpetrators at the expense of unsuspecting investors. 10. False ownership. Claims. Fraudulent sellers may falsely claim ownership of vacant land that they do not legally own or have the right to sell. They may use fake identities or forged documents to assert ownership rights and deceive buyers into transferring funds for the purchase of the land. 11. Online scams. With the rise of online marketplaces and digital transactions, vacant land fraud has also migrated to the digital realm. Scammers may create fake listings on online classifieds or auction websites, offering non-existent or misrepresented land for sale. Unsuspecting buyers who conduct transactions online without verifying the legitimacy of the seller or the property may fall victim to these online scams. By understanding these additional tactics used in vacant land fraud, buyers can better protect themselves against potential scams and make informed decisions when purchasing vacant land. Conducting thorough due diligence, seeking professional advice, and exercising caution when encountering suspicious offers can help mitigate the risk of falling victim to fraudulent schemes.